Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with another new video. Usually I personally don't like that loud eye makeup. I mostly prefer a subtle makeup. So I recently bought a nude palette from Makeup Revolution. This is the palette look like. So I haven't tried yet, so I want to try it with you guys. So let us see how my first impressions on this palette look like. So first I'll start with my base makeup. It's very hot here, so let me tie up my hair first. Okay. Now I'll start with my base makeup. I hope you all know doing this base makeup, so I'm not showing anything about this base makeup. If you want to know more in detail how I do my base makeup, please let me know in the comment box so that I can make a separate video on my base makeup. So I'll start with my base makeup. Basic, very fast basic makeup. So let us start. Let us open this palette. This look like this, and they gave this applicator with two sponge type applicators at both the ends. Hope you can see this. I think which I'm not going to use, because I'm more comfortable with my brushes rather than this sponge type applicator. So let us see the colors first. They are like from dark and to lighter. Two shades of kind of grayish color. I think brown, I think brownish gray colors too, and kind of a black, brown, and little bit of light skin color and browns, all the light browns. So almost everything is neutral. No, I think we don't have any that. I think all the colors are stayed neutral. So let us see the how pigmented it is. This is the darkest color. Oh, it's very much pigmented. Let us test on this palm. Nice. Within a single stroke, you got this. Even this is kind of in a powder consistency. It's blendable too. While I'm blending, yes, it's kind of blendable. Let us test these light colors once. I think this is the lightest color. Yeah, it is also very pigmented and even blendable. The texture is like very smooth, powdery consistency. I, very smooth powder, not creamy. It's very smooth powder. So let us start applying them. I really like the consistency as of now, even the pigmentation as of now. Uh, so let us start applying, try to apply it on our face, see how it works. So now let us talk about everything about this palette. I would like to discuss 3 points. First point about the texture of the palette. The texture is like smooth, powdery texture, which spreads very good, which spreads very nice. The only problem with the texture of the palette is it falls on your cheeks. So the thing you can do it with this problem is first try to have the makeup on eye makeup on first, then do your remaining makeup so that no other color will fall on your cheek area and disturb your base makeup. So that's the first point. The second point is, which we have to see in a palette, is pigmentation. This particular palette's pigmentation is very good. As I showed you previously, like with one swipe you're getting very darker color, but when you are trying to blend it on your eyes, it may vary. On swatching and blending, the color may vary, but still it's a very nice pigmented colors. It has very nice pigmented colors. And the third part is about the overall packaging and all. I expect a mirror over here because it's more convenient, right? So the packaging, overall packaging of the palette is okay, because I do have other palettes which have mirrors like this. For example, I'll show you a palette which I have. This is the palette, Ellen Trans palette. So it has a beautiful mirror over here. So you can use this mirror, but I miss that facility in this palette. So these are my views on this palette, and everything remaining information, the link, the price, where I bought it from, everything I'll mention in the description box below. So please do check there. And if you like this video, please hit on that like button and do subscribe. And I'll meet you in my next video. This is Praty signing off.